Hello. Okay, Katie and Lucy. I skimmed what you guys had to say, but I find that I can give a better opinion if I just look at it directly without reading previous notes. That way I'm not influenced either way. I did think that this mac and cheese one was super adorable. I don't think that C would scale well, but they probably don't care. They made it nice and light, and maybe they just delete that highlight when it's small, but it's super cute. And the script font in there breaks apart the seriousness, but the boldness of the font and the all caps would just, be a really effective, strong branding. DeviantArt, I've been seeing this for years, so it's kind of hard for me to give a clear opinion on it. I do think that this logo to the right is more fresh. It's super sharp, though it doesn't inspire me as an artist whatsoever, but I didn't like the last one they had either. I just think it's some sort of fan-based logo. This is a little cute. This guy is cute. It seems to me like it's more like a gaming company. I've always felt like um, that is sort of a mixed personality there. So I have been there 1,000 times, and I do know the scene. But this says Swiss design to me, but it's also an attempt at sort of a science fiction direction. And then this one just makes me think of PlayStation. But so you didn't like it so much either. I'll have to read your comments after I make this video. But from whoa, man, you've got to spell check, my dear. Okay, so this one, I couldn't believe a student would post something that said Sexual Wednesday. It's completely inappropriate for class. And then, so I'm not really going to talk about it other than that. And as far as a logo, it's not really so much a logo as it is a advertisement for, what did you say it was? A YouTube video. You can't really read it. It's black. You got somebody ready for Sexual Wednesday on there. There's not really too much more to say. I thought this was a super strong logo. It doesn't say fun or house to me though. It would work at any size, and you can see it across the room. So it's strong, but I'm not sure. Is that S tilted a little bit? Maybe if it was tilted more, it would look more fun. Anyway, they're both interesting logos, and I'll read more about your pieces when I close this. But out of all of these, I thought this one was the strongest as far as the content. All right, I'd be interested to hear what you two think of each other's work. Bye.